people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am back again with another strategy. So guys, in today's video I am going to show you the strategy that you can use to pick in 15-minute time frame. You can use it to pick 3 or 4 candlesticks in 15 minutes time frame. Pick 3 or 4 candlestick highest, then you leave, because it might went back from, if it's buying, it can go selling. So you have to take, if you can maintain instruction, you take 3 or 4 candlestick, you leave the market with this strategy I'm going to show you now. So guys, as you can see, I will show you the settings of this strategy at the end of this video, so watch to the end of the video. So guys, what you are seeing here now, how do we use this strategy to pick 3 or 4 candlestick? How? So guys, I will show you how. This is how. You will make sure that this your moving average cross over here. That's the number 1 rule you will look at before you enter this trade. Then it indicates sell. It indicates sell. This now, you will not sell when you saw it cross over. You will wait for this to come down below 20 level. When it comes below 20 level, yeah guys, as you can see, it comes below 20 level, yeah. From here guys, you pick your 4 candlestick. You pick your 4 candlestick. Don't pick more than 4. Don't wait, let me do it so that I can see it well, guys. Let me show you so that I can see it well. Let me show you. When it crosses this place, guys, you take 4 or 3 candlestick, you leave, because here now indicates a strong buy. But before it will start buying, it has to go down more before it starts buying. So that's why you will scalp 3 or 4 candlestick. It might go down more, but take 3 or 4 candlestick. You leave the market. Don't be greedy. Risk management, apply it here, guys, because this market is not easy. You have to apply risk management, guys. So let me show you another one, guys. Here show us buy. As you can see, it cross is above, and here now it's touching our 80 level and it's buying. So what will you do from here now? When it goes there, from here you enter your trade. You pick 4 or 3 candlestick for buy. You leave the market, because here indicates a strong sell, because like this is touching 90 level now, so it indicates a strong sell. It might come down, it might continue buying, but as long as you apply and take 3 or 4 candlestick, you leave the market. So guys, let's leave here. Let's check if we can see this kind of strategy again. Guys, this strategy is working if you apply the rules. Guys, see, it crosses here, and here it went above. When it went above, guys, just take 3 to 4 candlestick. Don't take more than that. This strategy works. Like here now, it indicates a strong sell. It indicates a strong sell, but I will not sell. I rather buy when it is above 80 level. I will take my 4 candlestick and I will leave the market for people that want to sell. So guys, let's check again. Guys, here is for buy. Here is for sell, sorry. So guys, when it crosses here, we wait for here for it to come down at the 80 level, at the 20 level. When it comes down at the 20 level, guys, you pick 3 to 4 candlestick. You leave the market, because is selling for now, and it has indicated a strong sell. According to the indicator, it have indicated a strong sell. So you have to take 4 or 3 candlestick before is indicated a strong buy. Sorry, so you have to sell 3 or 4 candlestick. Then you leave the market for people that want to buy, so that they can buy. It's as simple as that, guys. Let's check another. Let's go to boom 1000. Sorry, I don't want to. Let's go to boom 1000. Boom 1000. Guys, here now it meets here. We can also use it to catch spike. You can see it meets here, and you watch it above 80 level. Our stochastic above 80 level. You pick 3 spike here in 15 minute time frame. You pick 3 or 4 spike. You leave the market. Because at times this indicator they deceive us. Here now it tells us that it's a strong sell. And watch before it started selling small. Watch where it started selling small. So you rather pick your buy from there. Now you leave the market. If the market wants to sell, if you see that it has crossed, you can sell. Or if it did not cross, you know that the selling have not reached to sell. It have not reached, but it shows us now that it's a strong sell. And watch before it started selling. Let me show you. Watch before it started selling. It have not even started selling yet, and here it shows us a strong sell. So I prefer to buy when it show me a strong sell. I buy. I pick 4 candlestick and leave the market, guys. And leave the market. Let's check if you can see a sell trend, guys. It meets our this thing here. You pick your 4 candlestick. If you enter from here, you pick your 4 candlestick. You leave the market for buy. But in this case, I prefer to trade the spike. In this case, guys. Let's check, guys. Here is another one, and here it went above. Guys, I wait and pick my 4 candlestick and leave the market for them to sell. It's as simple as that, guys. So let me quickly show you guys the indicators used for this strategy. For the indicator use, let me show you guys. This is the signal for us to set our indicator. You click there, guys. Here is the indicators used for this strategy. Here is the indicators. I use the moving averages for the trend, guys. 48 shift 0 method exponential, apply to close, style 3 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. You click done. That is our main chart. The second one is 20 shift 0 method exponential, apply to close, style 3 pixel, then any color of your choice. You go for done. Then our indicator window 1, we use relative strength index. Period 7, apply to close, style 1 pixel, then the color, the background of your the color of your background, guys. That's what you're going to use. Then my level is 20 and 80. Any color of your choice, you click done. Then the next indicator we have here is stochastic oscillator. I have my K period 100, D period 3, slowing 3, then high, low and high, method simple. Then the signal, I use the the color of the background I'm using, that's what I use. Then the main, I use green, guys. Level 20 and 80, same with my RSI. Then you click done. That's all the indicator I use here, guys. That's all the indicator I use. And as you can see, guys, if you put your mind where this work, if you put your mind where it works, guys. See it here, it works. It went above, guys. You enter for spike, make sure it spike like 3 or 4. Don't be afraid of these small ones coming down. Make sure it spike 3 or 4 candlestick before you leave the spike market and wait for sell. It's as simple as that, guys. Let me check if I can see this in crash. Let's go and check crash. Let's check crash 1000. Our charts. Here is crash 1000. So guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Blessing. So guys, in case if you are new and you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, please support me. You can only support me by clicking that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I have a new video, guys. And give this video a thumbs up. Guys. So here we are in crash. Crash is selling. And guys, at any moment, this thing will spike at any moment. To spike at any moment. Let's check now. Here it goes here, and wait, it touches here, guys. I enter for spike one place. Had it been I enter my spike somewhere here, guys, I'll wait for this one, guys. I will leave. I will not take much. 3 is okay for me because it indicates a strong buy. I will leave the market. Let's check if we can see. Here is a buy. I prefer to sell, guys. Yeah, it's selling again. From there, I entered my trade from here, guys. I pick my 3 to 4 candlestick. I leave the market. I pick 3 to 4 candlestick. I leave the market with my profits. So guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel. For my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And to my returning viewers, God bless you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys. Let's raise this channel to 500 subscribers. Guys, we are at the road to 500 subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch. I appreciate you guys so much. See you guys on my next video.